Tags community building. We'll see if we could use 2 more. Goes to work. Here's Grumpy. There's Tag. Wall looks good. Hi, Panzer. Hi, Panzer. Looks awesome, dude. Perfect.
Like a glove.
Oh, I love it, dude. Guten tight.
Off extension just a little there. Oh, yeah, it'll go.
Yep.
It'll go.
Got a mallet. What's up? Just checking out Marshall's progress here.
Marshall's a savage.
A mechanic building a building.
Mechanic turned carpenter.
Yep.
Never gonna go back, I'm telling you. A lot more tolerance with wood.
True. Cheaper to mess up too.
Oh, yeah.
Said a lot more tolerance with wood and cheaper to mess up.
Oh, yeah. Mess up a car and keep it expensive.
Yeah. What are you building?
Maytag community building.
That's for me?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Did Jesse the job?
Yeah,
You turn around and there they are.
I like it.
I'm just claiming filmographer right now. So that's the top plate.
Yep.
Locks everything together.
All right, I think I need to get back to work. Put a pink foam barrier on the bottom plate of this. The stub walls we built. Might have to grind down lower. Marshall's building. The community building. That's awesome, dude. It looks like great. I was trying to get the visitors. I was slow on the camera, but I was trying to get the visitors.
Oh, the
To the to the building. Marshall's killing it over here. Jesse, Tag's cutting. I'm mixing more concrete. All right, I'm gonna make this wall over here. Tag already cut it and stuffed it.
Yep.
So I just gotta put it together.
Yep.
See you in a minute. All right, got that wall up. Marshall's working on the top plate.
When you want.
Tag's getting ready to cut. All the walls are stood.
28 and a half.
Ready up.
Looks good. Pond looks good. Marshall looks good. Okay, now we ran a string line. Can't see it. There it is. And we're gonna measure from the bottom plate to the top, subtracting 1.5 inches. And then writing the number where we're gonna put in the studs. So I'm over here sneaking a break while Tag and Marshall are working.
Joe's on vacation.
Yeah, I'm on vacation. Marshall's building walls like a boss. We had fun putting up some walls. Marshall killed it. We're just heading out of the woods right now. Heading back to eat.